How to join WhatsApp group with link. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can join WhatsApp group with link. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you must have the group link where you want to join. You can either ask the group admin or a current member for the invite link to the WhatsApp group. And the link will look something like https://chat.whatsapp.com and your group name. So once you have such kind of link, if it is sent via WhatsApp, tap the link directly in the chat. Or if the link is sent via email, SMS or another platform, you have to click on it to open in your browser or WhatsApp. After clicking the link, a prompt will appear asking if you want to open it in WhatsApp. Tap Open or Join Group depending upon your device. Now, the WhatsApp will display the group name, participants, and the group descriptions. If you want to join and become a member, you have to tap on Join Group. Once you have joined, now you can send messages, view group updates, and interact with members. And that's how you can simply join WhatsApp group with a link. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.